At bilang panimula sa gabi ito, samahan natin as usual ang ating regular na legal consultant dito sa programa Kaagapay, si Atty. Waray Evasco, upang digin ang hinaing ng isa nating kababayan na incidentally ngayong gabi ay isang foreigner. Yan, pakilala mo na, Atty.
Salamat. Sa gabing ito ngayon ay isang Brazilian, Italian, Amerikano pa.
Yes.
Hindi Ilocano, ha?
Hindi.
Okay. Sige, no, Sestilio Testa. Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Should I start telling?
Yes.
Well, first of all, when I came to thinking that it was time for me to buy a property
in the Philippines.
In the Philippines,
okay.
I found out there were some requirements. First, foreigners cannot buy land.
Yes.
So that is out of question. I came to realize that I have to buy something in the air.
You could have married a Filipina.
Well, yeah, but that is always something risky because marriage always brings in ties that bring in obligations, etc., etc. So it's better if you can do it freely by yourself.
Okay.
And I found a way. So first you have to get a clearance from the BIR. Second, you have to have a TIN number. You can get it from some lawyer friend. After that, you should get the ACR card.
Yeah.
That makes you temporary resident. And as a temporary resident, I understand that you can buy property. A foreigner can buy property. Okay, so I started looking for property, and I found some that are acceptable.
What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy as a property? You want to buy an island?
No. Something my style is very modest, very simple.
Okay.
I don't want complications. I'm not especially interested in business. I'm not interested in making money.
Specifically what? What do you want to buy?
A small place where I can feel comfortable in the area where I feel comfortable.
Okay.
I'll tell you this how to, actually, foreigners are not allowed to buy land. But
right.
Foreigners can inherit. Just imagine, you have to kill your wife before you can inherit. So there are times that some lawyers, some foreigners, they have to waive the right. Never sign a waiver to inherit the property, because I'm just kidding. Because there are times that the wife dies ahead, so you can inherit. Now, if you have a waiver, you waive your right to inherit. Now,
but he doesn't have a wife. You were never married?
That is not my case.
Okay.
You were never married?
No, I'm divorced a few times.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
So here, you can buy only condominium.
Yes.
Condominium. If there are 10 units, you can only buy 4, because you cannot buy all, only 40%.
Yeah.
Now, the media, never, because that's 100%. But the advertisement is 30%. The very funny thing is that the retail trade law. So if you want to open sari-sari store or what, all Filipino. But if you have a capital of $2.5 million, you can operate retail, such as 7-Eleven. Such a funny law, I think. Now, if you want also to have financing, 60%. Foreigner, and recruitment, 25% only. That's the ownership that a foreigner can own.
Yes. I think the intention is to bring in money. And so that's to the interest of the Philippines. Why not?
Yes.
So I just don't have any special interest in doing business as such. I just wanted a place to stay.
Okay.
And so I found 2 in Ermita, and I'm happy with those. And but the interesting thing, foreigners, please pay attention to this. Buying property here in the Philippines takes forever. Meaning, in Brazil it takes only 1 month.
Oh.
In the United States it takes only 1 month. Those are 2 countries that I have experience on. In the Philippines it takes 6 months.
No, I disagree with you. No.
Okay, well.
Actually, in the Philippines, you can have, we call it a corporation under, we call it, and 2 weeks. You can have a corporation. If you want a partnership, that's 30-70. A corporation, 40-60. Then, if you really, actually, what you're gonna do is that you have friends and lead a resolution of the corporation authorizing the foreigner to sell the property of the corporation anytime. Practically, you own the corporation. And a waiver. That's how to protect foreigners. If you want to invest in the Philippines, you get a lawyer, and there must be a board resolution authorizing you to sell the properties of the corporation. Then you are safe.
So again, what do you advise for
Sestilio.
Sestilio to do, attorney?
Form a corporation or a partnership.
But
Then-
he just
But
wants a simple life.
But that is always allowed for large amounts of money.
No. You're wrong. Because you can put up a corporation, the capital is just a matter of 50,000 pesos. And if you need $1 million, you just
It's a
deposit.
million.
Then after the corporation is
Do I
being
look like-
incorporated, you withdraw the money. There are banks that you are paying just percentage just to put up the paid up capital.
But what I'm interested, attorney, is why do you intend to stay here permanently?
Actually, I can't stand because I feel that I have obligations with my family in Brazil. So
yes.
I alternate between Brazil and the Philippines. But if I decide to stay, then I'll have to take the appropriate measures to begin with, invest 1 year time to learn Tagalog to begin with.
Don't you intend to bring your family here? And that they will stay here also?
Well, no, I don't have a
intentions?
family to speak of. So my family would be in Brazil, and I happen to have a daughter in Iloilo, but that's
Iloilo, the mother is Filipina.
mother's Filipina, yes.
Pare pa na,
Yeah. There is also a Miss Brasila married to a rich guy in Cagayan de Oro.
Okay.
So, those foreigners who are now viewing me in Paradise Village, because they have a problem regarding the land, you better form a corporation or under the name of your wife, but there must be also a side contract to protect your interests. That's all that I can say. You foreigners, guys there, you can consult me for free.
But can he marry a Filipina? No.
Sure.
Anytime.
Yeah, why not?
You're divorced.
Yes, I am.
In marrying, you have to produce a legal capacity to marry from your embassy.
Yes.
If you're going to marry a Filipina, consult me. For other legal matters, consult Attorney Evasco.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. Yan po ang ating public service ngayong gabi. At sana natulungan natin itong ating bisita ngayong gabi, si Mr. Sestilio Testa.
Testa. Ito, Testa.
Magbabalik po ang inyong mga kaagapay.